southeast winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts of 50 to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of central and southern New Jersey, southeast Pennsylvania and central, northern and southern Delaware. When? Until 8 p.m. this evening. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages will be possible. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive.